The San Clemente Wren *Thryomanes bewicki leucophrys* is a distinct subspecies of Bewick's wren, found exclusively on San Clemente Island, one of the Channel Islands off the coast of Southern California. This small songbird is characterized by its rich brown upper parts, contrasting white underparts, and a distinctive long tail with white tips that it often flicks expressively. Measuring around 13 centimeters in length, the San Clemente wren is known for its sharp, melodious song and active foraging behavior. The wren primarily inhabits dense shrublands and coastal sage scrub, environments that provide ample cover and abundant insect prey, such as beetles, spiders, and caterpillars. It nests in a variety of natural cavities, often in shrubs or crevices, where it builds cup-shaped nests lined with soft materials. The San Clemente wren has faced significant challenges due to habitat loss and degradation, largely resulting from past military activities and the introduction of non-native species like goats and sheep, which heavily grazed on the island's vegetation. These pressures have led to a decline in suitable habitat and, consequently, the wren's population. Conservation efforts have been critical in supporting the recovery of the San Clemente wren. The U.S. Navy, which manages San Clemente Island, has implemented measures to control invasive species and restore native plant communities. Habitat restoration projects, including the removal of non-native grazers and replanting native vegetation, have helped improve the prospects for the wren and other endemic species on the island. Continued monitoring and habitat management are essential to ensure the long-term survival of this unique bird.